Welcome. In our video today, we're going to take a look at bookmarks, how to create them, and see how they display on the timeline. So, what are bookmarks? A bookmark serves as a reference point within video footage from a single camera. It is typically used to mark a specific incident or event in recorded footage. However, keep in mind that adding a bookmark does not prevent the video footage from being overwritten. It simply helps locate the event more easily. Bookmarks are added in playback mode. Go into playback mode and select the camera where the event or incident occurred. To create a bookmark, move your mouse into the camera you want to add a bookmark to and click on the bookmark icon. This will open the Add Bookmark dialog box. From here, you can adjust the time period of your bookmark. Give your bookmark a headline, which is a title for the bookmark. We are going to use bookmark headline in our example. And finally, enter a description. This can be something which describes the incident or event you are bookmarking. Once complete, click OK to add your bookmark to the timeline. You will see a graphical representation of the bookmark displayed on the timeline. When you roll over the bookmark, it will show the information, and the incident or event will play in a small preview window. Bookmarks are useful for marking points of interest within recordings, and since they are shared between users who have the necessary permissions, it is easy to distribute them among staff. In our next video, we will show you how to search your footage using bookmarks, so please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.